Ever wondered how to supercharge your vision and protect your eyes from the effects of aging? Our eyes are incredible, delicate instruments that let us experience the world in all its vibrant glory. But do you know what foods can enhance your vision and keep your eyes healthy? What makes carrots a powerhouse for night vision? How do omega-3 fatty acids in fish combat dry eyes? Why are eggs a secret weapon against age-related eye conditions? Can bell peppers really shield your eyes from oxidative stress? In this video, we've got the answers. Join us as we dive into the world of eye-boosting foods, revealing the symbiotic relationship between your diet and vision. From carrots to broccoli, each food plays a unique role in fortifying your eyes against the challenges of time and the environment. Ready to unlock the secrets to crystal clear vision? Let's get started on the journey to healthier, happier eyes. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Your eyes will thank you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Carrots. Beta-carotene is a carotenoid, a group of pigments that give certain fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. In carrots, beta-carotene is responsible for their characteristic orange hue. Once consumed, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for eye health. Carrots stand out as one of the richest sources of beta-carotene in our daily diet. This compound serves as a potent antioxidant, protecting cells, including those in the eyes, from damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, beta-carotene contributes to the overall well-being of our eyes. Beyond night vision, carrots contribute to overall eye health by preventing conditions such as dry eyes and promoting tear production. The moisture provided by tears is essential for maintaining the surface of the eyes and preventing discomfort associated with dryness. Number 2. Fish. Swimming to the forefront of eye-boosting foods is fish, celebrated for its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are not only beneficial for overall health, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the well-being of our eyes. Dry eyes, a common condition caused by insufficient lubrication on the eye surface, can lead to discomfort and irritation. Fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, fish offers a spectrum of nutrients that support overall eye health. Selenium, a trace element found in many fish, acts as an antioxidant, protecting the eyes from oxidative damage. Additionally, fish is a reliable source of vitamin D, which has been linked to a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Number 3. Eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin belong to the carotenoid family, much like beta-carotene in carrots. Found in high concentrations in the retina, these compounds act as antioxidants, shielding delicate eye tissues from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are rich sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. Regular consumption of these compounds is associated with a decreased risk of developing conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Cataracts and macular degeneration are prevalent age-related eye conditions that can significantly impact vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found abundantly in eggs, have been linked to a lower risk of developing these conditions. The macula, a small but crucial part of the retina responsible for central vision, benefits greatly from the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin. Number 4. Bell peppers. Vitamin C, an essential water-soluble vitamin and potent antioxidant, plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of the eyes. Bell peppers, particularly the brightly colored varieties such as red and yellow, are among the top vegetable sources of vitamin C. Consuming bell peppers provides a direct boost to the immune system of the eyes, aiding in the prevention of infections and supporting the body's natural defense mechanisms against external threats. The antioxidant nature of vitamin C also helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress, a factor linked to the development of cataracts and macular degeneration. Cataracts, a condition characterized by the clouding of the eye's lens, often result from the breakdown of proteins in the lens due to oxidative damage. Vitamin C, with its antioxidant properties, helps counteract this process by neutralizing free radicals and reducing the risk of cataract formation. Number 5. Berries. Anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants responsible for the deep hues in berries, have been linked to improved night vision. These compounds support the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment in the eye crucial for the perception of low-light environments. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, among others, are excellent sources of anthocyanins. Including these berries in your diet can help enhance your ability to see in low-light conditions, making them a tasty and practical addition to support nighttime visual acuity. Oxidative stress resulting from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants can contribute to various eye conditions. Berries, with their potent antioxidant content, play a pivotal role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene, the compound responsible for the rich orange color of sweet potatoes, is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the cornea, the transparent front part of the eye that plays a crucial role in focusing light onto the retina. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes provides a reliable source of beta-carotene, ensuring a steady supply of vitamin A for optimal corneal function. This, in turn, contributes to clear vision and the prevention of conditions such as night blindness. The cornea is exposed to environmental elements, making it susceptible to damage from factors like ultraviolet, UV, radiation and oxidative stress. Vitamin A derived from beta-carotene acts as a natural shield for the cornea, protecting it from potential harm and contributing to the prevention of conditions such as corneal ulcers. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant, plays a crucial role in shielding cells, including those in the eyes, from oxidative damage. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, are abundant sources of vitamin E. The retina, a light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. Vitamin E, by neutralizing free radicals, helps safeguard the delicate structures of the retina, contributing to the prevention of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related issues. In addition to vitamin E, nuts and seeds boast a variety of antioxidants, including selenium and zinc. These compounds work synergistically to combat oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and damage in the eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids found in certain nuts, like walnuts, further enhance the protective effects for the eyes. Number 8. Broccoli. The eyes, being highly exposed to light and environmental factors, are vulnerable to oxidative stress. Broccoli, with its wealth of antioxidants, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and protecting the eyes from oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin, both found in significant amounts in broccoli, accumulate in the retina and contribute to the prevention of age-related macular degeneration. These antioxidants act as a natural defense mechanism, shielding the delicate structures of the eyes from the effects of aging. Cataracts, a common age-related condition characterized by the clouding of the eye's natural lens, can be influenced by oxidative stress and inflammation. The diverse array of antioxidants in broccoli works synergistically to counteract these factors, potentially reducing the risk of cataract development. While the focus of this video has been on nutrition, it is crucial to emphasize that eye care is a multifaceted endeavor. Regular eye checkups, protective measures against environmental factors, and a conscious effort to reduce eye strain also play pivotal roles in maintaining optimal vision. Nutrition, as explored here, is one integral facet of a broader strategy for eye care. That's all that is in this video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us in the next video.